Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to tell if a website is Shopify. So I have three different websites right here. So the first thing you want to do once you're on a page and you want to know if they're using Shopify, all you'll need to do is simply right click on it. Then you're going to see the option Inspect. After tapping on Inspect, you're going to see the elements pop up on the right hand column. Then from there, you just want to tap on Command F, or you can select Alt F depending on the device that you're using. Once you have done that, you're going to see the option Find by String. You're going to see a search bar pop up and you're going to type in Shopify. After typing in Shopify, from there you can see that on this website there's over 137 different instances where Shopify is mentioned, and you can see they're highlighted right there. So you can see that this is definitely a Shopify website. Now let's say we were to go onto this website by the name of skims.com. Again, all you'll need to do is simply right click. Then from there you're going to tap on Inspect. After tapping on Inspect, we're going to tap on Command F once more and we're going to type in Shopify. And again, you can see over 495 times. So this is definitely a Shopify website. And you wouldn't know by scrolling down, you wouldn't know based on their layout. And you realize that with the professional websites, you don't see powered by Shopify or any type of information that will let you know that it is a Shopify website. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.